You've all been asking me how I cook my hamburger meat in the crock pot. I start with 6 pounds of hamburger. I chop up 3 onions, and I add the onions to my crock pot and my hamburger meat with 2 cups of water, and I put it on high. And I set my timer for 15 minutes because I'm going to stir my meat and onions every 15 minutes. And the house smells so good, and I just keep stirring and cooking. And I cook it for 3 to 4 hours. And then I take cupfuls and drain it with my little drainer, and I bag it up into 2-cup portions to go in my freezer. And I'm going to use some of it for dinner tonight because I'm going to make my famous homemade hamburger stroganoff. So let it cool a little bit and then label all your bags. Do not give the dog the onion and fat liquid. It's not good for them. Label your bags and then put them in the freezer. And then I'm using 2 cups of meat, 1 can of golden mushroom soup, and a 8-ounce package of cream cheese. And I'm just going to put it in the crock pot on warm. I'm not cooking it. It's just on warm to stir together. And then I serve it over cooked wide noodles with Parmesan cheese, and you're good to go. Dinner, and we love it. Talk to you later.